Welcome back to my channel friends. This is Sonia here from Growing Craft and I know a lot of you have been asking me कि जब हम decoupage करते हैं it is always on the white surface तो black में कैसे करना है. So here are few of the options of my glass bottle which I have done off lately and I just thought of sharing this with you because I'm going to do a tutorial in black with decoupage napkin, but before that I just thought of sharing with you guys. So this is a beautiful one with the gold gilding work, and of course I have used the massive decoupage paper and you can't even make out if this is printed or this is the decoupage art. So this is one of the variations. Of course I have kept one, so just if anyone is new out here can see like how the white decoupage is done. Then this is one of the most favorite of mine, like this is a 3D decoupage. Can you see this nice bumpy 3D work? So yeah, this is a 3D decoupage work again on a black surface. So this is again one more option. All these tutorials are there on our Facebook page and also on our YouTube channel also. Now this is not a decoupage, but this is a nice resin and clay work done on a bottle, and again in the black, like darker theme, not the black but the darker shade. So this is one more, and of course this is the decoupage work with napkin on a glass bottle, and all this is massive stamping, absolutely no stencil work. So like these are the variations. So I just thought of doing a darker shade decoupage tutorial today, so let's get started. So this is a glass bottle which is like absolutely plain black. I have not done anything on this, so I am first going to do my black gesso work. Now why do we need to do a gesso work? We need to do gesso work because हम किसी भी surface पे decoupage napkin नहीं चिपका सकते हैं. We cannot do even the mixed media art. So we need to prep up our base. And let me just show you. Can you see this matte work? This is the regular glass surface. This is the matte surface. अब इसके ऊपर if we are going to stick our decoupage napkin, it is going to stick well. So gesso लगाने के लिए of course you will need a good brush. You will need a black gesso. Gesso में in general there are three variants. One is black gesso, one is white gesso, the third one is clear gesso. To be very honest, मैंने clear gesso बहुत rare use किया है, but I would still suggest you, if you guys are doing a lot of decoupage, then it's good to have all the three variations, and especially black and white. It is very important. Okay, now I'm going to cover up my complete bottle with my black gesso. So for drying this, I am going to use my heat gun. Heat gun use करने का reason एक ये होता है कि it speeds up your process. Drying becomes much more faster, and of course आपका time भी बहुत save होता है. So now you can see here my gesso has almost dried out and it is becoming matte. Let me just show you on the other side. Okay, now can you see the patches? That is because it is wet. Now I'll run my heat gun and you will see it पूरा matte हो जाएगा. So that's the beauty of using your black gesso. It makes your base completely matte so that your sticking process becomes much more easier and faster. So this is my black napkin. I guess this is a beautiful black color decoupage napkin with a beautiful floral print, and I have decided to use this one. So what I am going to do is, of course I'm not going to need the full sheet, so I'm going to cut this into half and I'm going to use only the half sheet of my napkin. So I'm just going to trim then this from the center. Okay, and now what I have is my incomplete portion. Now before I trim down more, I will just check this with my bottle that how much area I am having and how much we will be actually needing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this as my focal point and I'm going to overlap my napkin. Why I'm going to have some extra napkin here? Because I'm going to add texture to my bottle. If I did not have to add any texture, I would have definitely cut this and have this as a nice cover to my bottle. But like I said, I want to play around with some colors and texture, so I'm going to add some texture to it. I'm going to leave the napkin as it is. Why, that you will know in some time. So after my gesso work, here I'm going to add my texture. So I have decided to use my glue gun, and this is one of the interesting way of adding texture. So how you do is you just add dots and just make a swirl and it comes out. So I'm going to add a nice texture to my bottle with my glue gun. The alternate for this texture is you can use your resin embellishments, you can use your stones, but I love this glue gun technique because it adds a lot of charm to my bottle, which I genuinely love. So like I always say, try out different things and I'm sure you are going to love that. And that's the beauty of doing your decoupage and your mixed media art.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Que j'ai presque pu le goûter.
So here I'm done with my texture work. I have done only in the half bottle. On the rest of the areas, I'm not going to do any of my glue gun work. So yes, I just need to make sure that it dries out well. It should not be very hot, otherwise it is just going to smudge and we definitely don't want that. Now before doing our decoupage work, we need to remove the plies. That is very important. Whenever you are doing your decoupage work, you need to make sure you remove both the plies of your napkin. There are a few napkins which is there in the market which just have one ply. So it's absolutely fine. Even if it has just one ply, remove that and you can use it. So here you can see me removing both the plies and my napkin is ready. Now I'm going to start sticking my decoupage napkin, but before that we need to apply our glue. So I'm going to start from one of these sides, okay, and wherever I have my glue gun work, I am going to keep that area also covered, okay. So this is a very important technique. You should not miss out on this one. So decoupage napkin stick करने के लिए of course you will need your decoupage glue. You might need your Mod Podge. So you can choose whichever you are comfortable with. Like absolutely, I don't want to tell you कि नहीं ये ही use करना है या वो ही use करना है. You are allowed and free to use whatever you want to use. So अब हम धीरे धीरे I'll just keep it dabbing on my decoupage glue areas, okay, and I'll just dab it. So can you see the texture work here? Yeah, can you see this nice texture work? Later on we are going to highlight it, but first we need to stick this really well. This is very important step. Do not overdo your glue, do not overdo your Mod Podge. It just has to be that perfect.
à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Que j'ai presque pu le goûter. 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 Impossible à effacer. Que j'ai presque pu le goûter.
Now it's time to seal this up before doing our next layering. So I'm going to start from the top of my bottle and I'm going to apply a good thick coat of varnish. So yes, sealing up your project is very important, which I have been saying in all my videos, that usually after my decoupage work I always seal my napkin so that it does not take any other color in it and it just stays back as it is. So that really helps. Now after just dabbing on the top, I'm going to come down to the bottle and I'll do the varnish work completely.
Que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs.
So one thing I forgot to mention, that whenever I do varnish on my napkin, so if I want some extra wrinkles to add a texture to my napkin, what I do is I always do the varnish when my napkin has not dried out completely. So with that, what happens is you get a nice wrinkle on your base and that adds a lot more drama when you are doing your other color work. So that is my way of doing and adding texture to my base. And now I am going to dry this with my heat gun. So now my bottle has dried out pretty well and it looks absolutely stunning and amazing. And of course, to have the real look and feel of the metallic and the 3D effect, I am going to use some element on the top. So either you can use your metallic chalk paints or you can use your metallic waxes also. And let me just take you to this beautiful journey of highlighting your textures. And can you see this? See, that was the reason I use my varnish when my napkins are wet, like 30-40% they are still wet. And when you varnish at that point of time, you can see all these nice wrinkles there. Don't press them down, just leave it as it is and it looks amazing. So you can see how nicely I have decorated my textures. They look absolutely amazing. Okay, now many of you will be asking me, then decoupage napkin kyun? Why then I had to put up the decoupage napkin? Like I would have just added a texture and did that. Let me do a little more of my metallic work and then I will show you the reason behind using your black napkin. Okay, so I'm just taking a tinge of color, my metallic wax, and I'm just rubbing it around. And now can you see this beautiful work? Yeah, can you see this beautiful? So this is because of my decoupage napkin. The beautiful decoupage napkin and the print on it, the floral print is getting highlighted so well and it is not popping out that much. and that's the beauty. So that is the reason you should opt for the black color decoupage napkins also. I know a lot of you hesitate, but the black color ka napkin, no, you can use any color napkin absolutely, and they really work out perfectly. So this is my way of using a darker color napkin. If you check my channel, I've done a decoupage on plate also, where I've used a similar kind of darker shade napkin, and that plate video has been like viral, and it is actually one of the best plate decoupage work what I have done. I will try to post that link also in the comment section so that you guys can check that. Okay, and I'm just adding my metallic color on the top of my bottle also, and you can see the natural texture. It's looking absolutely stunning, and all these highlights, they look beautiful. So yes, here my metallic and beautiful decoupage bottle is ready, and this looks absolutely gorgeous. I really hope that you guys like this tutorial. Do let me know in the comment section if you guys have any query. I will be more than happy to help you all. Whatever the supplies I've used are available on our website at growingcraft.com. You guys can check that and try this out, friends, and I'm sure you guys are going to love this, and do let me know. And you can even share your artwork with me on our Facebook group, that is also there in the name of Growing Craft. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.